Hello everyone, this is Gare Morgan. Today I'm going to show you how you can use multiple bar graphs with an Arduino. First you want to connect all of the anodes together. Connect it to a 220 ohms resistor and to a transistor, a 2N3906 in this case. And then do the same for this one. Then you want to use a 1K resistor on the base of your transistors, and then you want to plug it into, I have mine connected to pins 13 and 12 respectively, and then you're going to want to connect all of the cathodes to each other. Connect all of the cathodes of each segment to its own pin, and then connect it to, going through this ribbon cable, connecting to pins 2 through 11. And then we have these potentiometers to adjust the values displayed on the various bar graphs, to adjust the values. Here we go. They are independent. I am adjusting value number 1. That down. It is upside down. Sorry, it's upside down. Now we got the programming side of things. First, here's the program. We declare these sensor pins and the pins for managing the display. And then we got the segments, the sensor pins as inputs, and the common anodes and the segment pins as outputs. And then we turn it all on for a second. I actually forgot to show you that. Set them to some arbitrary values. Shut it off. Turn it back on. Then we turn it off to basically clear the display. And then it's basically the same as the previous program with only one bar graph, except that most of it's duplicated. And then here's various if-else cases for the different segments, and then we delay after this point. 0.01 of a second. We delay. That's it for this video.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can follow me on social media by scanning the QR codes on your screen, or you can click the links in the description. If you would like to support me financially or check out my business channel, More Sound, you can scan the QR codes on your screen or click the links in the description. Goodbye. This is Gare Moore signing off.